Now I would like to call upon Mr. Balkrishna Kini, our special guest for today, to give a few words. Mr. Balkrishna Kini, the Deputy Chief Executive at MFI. Mr. Kini is a veteran in the mutual fund industry with over 4 decades of experience. He began his illustrious career in 1979 at Union Trust of India, now known as the UTI Mutual Fund, where he dedicated 25 years of his professional life. Mr. Kini has also held senior management roles at Reliance Mutual Fund and Pharmarekha Mutual Fund over the past decade. In his current role at MFI, he has significantly contributed to the industry's sustainable and regulated growth. Recently, Mr. Kini was honored by the SEBI chairperson for his outstanding contributions to the field. He holds an MBA from NMIMS and a BSc Honours and LLB from Mumbai University. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Mr. Balkrishna Kini.
Good evening, my friends. Where is the Josh? Good evening. I'm told by Dr. Celso that I have limited time, so I'll have to cut short some of the slides. I'll try to be as brief as possible. At the same time, try to make it interesting. Get the point. I'll take it in two parts. First is the prospects of the mutual funds. The second is the prospects for mutual fund distributors. You guys must have done this in your course, right? I'm tempted to take this because although there is no time, when you have money, what do? You spend it? This is the age to spend it, right? Some of you, especially the ladies, will save it because they have the saving habit. But some of you who are adventurous may invest it. You have heard a lot of things about it from my friend, my earlier colleagues, Saugata Chatterjee and the other gentlemen. My favorite, Warren Buffett, again the guru, has said, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This is a very important thing, and please remember this, especially when you get pocket money. The other thing he said, and this is important, never depend on a single income, make investments to create a second income. If you have a job, if you have a business, like Dr. Celso said, he was practicing dentist and he realized on the day he is not able to go to the clinic, he is not getting any income. So if your business doesn't work, you need to have some fallback upon, like a Stepney tire. So you need to have an investment which makes your money grow. So you need to have investment that create wealth over a period of time. You are in the flap course, you must have heard about the inflation, how the money depletes your rupee value, etc. My friend Saugata Chatterjee mentioned about the rupee value depreciating. Milk was costing 10 rupees years ago when I was a kid. Today, what's the cost of the milk per liter? 65, 70 rupees. Petrol was 15 rupees, 20 rupees a liter. Today, I pay 106 rupees per liter in Mumbai. So inflation, the money, your investment should fight inflation, provide income when you need it. It should be accessible in usable parts. If you have a property, you can't sell one bathroom or one balcony or one room, right? You have to sell the whole property. Real estate is a very liquid asset. Financial assets, especially mutual funds, are very, very liquid. You can do partial encashment of your investment, which is a big advantage. It should grow in value, which mutual funds do. I'll show you in a while how it does. And it should be realizable at a fair and a low cost. There are various investment options. All this you would have done in your curriculum. I'll not touch upon that. But I am being from mutual fund industry, I'll focus on mutual funds, which is the mantra for investments. One of the easiest ways to invest, simple. I'll skip the slide. You would have done this in your course because we have limited time. But just give a perspective how the industry has grown. Although I've been in the industry for the last 40 decades, I joined AMFI about 10 years ago in April 2014. First time in the industry, our industry has been in existence right from UTI days, but technically from 1990 onwards, when all other mutual funds came into existence. First time in the industry crossed 10 lakh crores, that is 10 trillion rupees in May 2014. In a matter of just 3 years, it crossed 20 trillion. New government got elected, then we have launched. This is the journey. I'll show you in the next slide, it's more interesting. This is how the exponential growth of the AUM of the industry. 10 trillion, June 2014, became 20 trillion in August 2017, 2x. 3 times in December 2020, 31 trillion, and now in July 31st July, we have crossed almost 65 trillion rupees. That is almost 6.5 times in the last 10 years. And if you count from March 2007, when it was 3.25 lakh crores, it has become more than 20 times. This has been the exponential growth. Let's keep this slide, I've just talked about it. In the last 6-7 months, this has been the growth. It was in January, it was 52 lakh crores. Today it has 64 lakh, almost 65 lakh crores. This is the kind of exponential growth, partly because the stock market indexes have been booming. You would have heard about, my colleagues talked about systematic investment plan, SIP. One of the aims is that come out with the ad, it's called a good EMI. When you buy a mobile phone or a vehicle or home, you have to pay the bank the loan, repay it back, it's called EMI, right? But you don't get the money back. You have your asset already. In the context of SIP, you get the money back with appreciation in capital. So this is the kind of SIP contribution we are garnering month on month. This is the assets under management. This is the monthly contribution. March 2017, it was just about 4,000 crores. Currently, we have crossed 23,000 crores per month. Multiply that by 12 and you can just see how much of the steady month on month inflows coming into the mutual fund, why we have written March 2017, because that's the month in which we launched the campaign Mutual Fund Sahi Hai. So this, we don't have direct kind of a study, but this is an indication how the industry has grown. It sort of signifies how Mutual Fund Sahi Hai campaign has helped create awareness and bring in more investors and more money into the industry. Retail investor, okay, now talk about investing. Everybody talks about invest karo, invest karo, invest karo. I will now tell you, don't invest. But where? Dr. Celso and I were discussing the other day, he was saying that youngsters, and I heard this from a lot of my colleagues from NJ also in the other forum, that a lot of youths, particularly today, get attracted by cryptocurrency and futures and options. I would say that in an attempt to make quick money, large number of investors turn to derivative market, which is highly risky and far greater than passive investing in mutual funds. Derivatives are susceptible to both market sentiment and market risk, and it lacks intrinsic value, derives all of its value from underlying asset. Regardless of what happens to the price of underlying asset, supply and demand factors have potential to cause derivative price and liquidity to fluctuate. Studies conducted by SEBI, this is interesting. Recently, SEBI had conducted a detailed study. It showed that 90% of the active traders in derivative market have lost their money. In plain terms, vital to grasp staggering, 9 out of 10 traders venture into F&O end up losing money, and SEBI has issued a repeat warning on this. Even Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Chief Economic Advisor Ananta Nageswaran had recently mentioned in a forum about increasing number of retail participants in equity, which is, she said, unchecked retail surge, which result in future difficulties for household finances. These are some of the headlines. If you follow Money Control, etc., this is the headline in Money Control recently. 9 out of 10 equity F&O traders lose money. 84% of them are men. 75% are under 40. This is the SEBI study. Economic Times Wealth Supplement also echoes the same thing. Individual investors should avoid trading in F&O segment, and it's clearly loss-making proposition. Synopsis, all the talk about derivatives being beneficial for one reason or the other is just propaganda. Growth of derivatives trading and subsequent financial challenges that individual traders face are likely to continue. Avoid this potentially harmful activity might be the best choice for individual. This has come from none other than Dhirendra Kumar, who is a very celebrated journalist who writes for Economic Times. This is SEBI chairperson in one of the forums recently. She said, risk of investing, she said, conscious confused enterprise and investor interest in futures and options despite 90% of individuals losing money. So I don't want to keep on repeating. What I'm saying is, again, SEBI's red flag about investing in F&O. So friends, again, some of you raise hands for F&O. At this age, please stay away from F&O. Don't do direct investment. Go through mutual fund route. Become an expert. Join a mutual fund, no doubt. You become a fund manager. I'll be very happy. And then you invest in F&O, knowing the risk and knowing in a studied, scientific manner. But and you are from Goa. How many of you go to casinos here? Anybody goes? Not a single hand raised because you know it's धोखे वाला है ना? If going to a casino is risky, F&O is nothing but the same thing. So don't do that. I'd like to show you a video now.
थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग।
कहाँ है अपना हीरो?
बैठा है अपने रूम में, 2 दिन हो गए बाहर ही नहीं आ रहा है। कुछ बोलो तो इसे गुस्सा हो रहा है।
डोंट वरी।
क्या है आई? काका?
क्या मैं अंदर आऊं?
हाय काका।
क्या हुआ? ब्रेकअप हुआ तेरा?
नहीं काका।
चल मुझे बता क्या हुआ। ये बात हमारे बीच रहेगी।
I have lost everything काका। मैंने अपनी 3 साल की सारी सेविंग्स ज्यादा फायदे के चक्कर में नए ट्रेंड्स पे लगा दी। दोस्तों ने भी कहा इट्स द फ्यूचर, डोंट मिस आउट। और पिछले महीने भी मार्केट वैल्यू डबल हो गई थी।
लेकिन सोशल मीडिया पे किसी ने कुछ कहा और एनीवेज जिन इन्वेस्टमेंट पे रेगुलेशंस नहीं होते वो क्यों ग्रो हो रहे हैं, उनकी वैल्यू क्यों बढ़ रही है, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता। क्या तुम उसे स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट कहोगे?
I wish I had thought of this.
Relax. Take this as a lesson and move to proper investments like mutual funds. वो regulated है, verified भी है and are handled by experts.
काका अब तो मैं पूरा जीरो पे आ गया हूँ। काका
Hero, take this as your wedding gift.
थैंक्स काका।
चलो, take care. अब सब सही है।
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
Okay, so that was the message I wanted to share. I hope it has sunk in. Now, this is interesting and I want to tell you because and my friend Ignesh Bhai is here from NJ and they have 40,000 sub-distributors. You have choice to join them, do it on your own. You want to be freelancing. Many of you must be having family businesses. Many of you may want to become a doctor, engineer, fine, you go ahead. But those of you who are looking for a job, you can also do mutual fund distribution, even if you are working, even if you don't want to part-time, especially ladies, even after marriage. In fact, a lot of ladies who take a break in their career for family, for after getting married, you have a child, you can't do both. People take break, and after that you want to still be of flexible hours. Mutual fund distribution is one of the best profession and career-wise. I'd like to show you some parts on this. Currently, 75% of individual assets are through mutual fund distributors. You would have heard about something called direct plan, but direct plan has not really eaten into the distributors' number. 80% of the SIP AUM is coming to the distributors. 89% of SIP AUM has completed more than 5 years. That is consistency. We have a concept of T30 and B30 cities in India. T30 stands for top 30 cities and P30 stands for beyond the top 30 cities, that tier 3, tier 4 cities. So we have about 80,500 distributors in T30, top 30 and about 81,600 in beyond the top. Not a large number compared to insurance industry which has got more than 25 lakh distributors considering, but I want to show you the huge untapped potential. In fact, before I go to that slide, I want to tell you, repeat or reiterate one beautiful example. Mr. Ignesh Desai had mentioned the same Goa in one of his earlier events. And आपके बाजू में Arabian Sea पड़ा है. The potential to get customers mutual fund investment is like Mahasagar. Never ending. You go with a small katori, you get a katori of water. You go with a bucket of empty bucket, you come with 1 bucket of water. You go with a tanker, you get 1 tanker full of water. इसके बाद भी उधर पानी अनएंडिंग सप्लाई है. So potential of investor, you will think that is a small city, how can I get cash? There is always opportunity. Opportunity is always there, it is for you to spot it and make capitalization out of it. So, thank you Jignesh Bhai for that beautiful example, it is etched into my brain, and that's the mutual fund potential. We had done an exercise and we keep every month we do a deduplication of PAN numbers of unique holders, because each person will have more than one investment in one mutual fund, in 3-4 schemes, etc. So, if I want to know unique number of investors in a mutual fund, it is about 4.6 crores, as against 7.8 some crore income tax PAN holders who file tax returns. But number of people having PAN numbers in the country, as per the latest information, is about 75 crore. Number of smartphone users, 93 crores. And what is the population of India? 1.44 billion. As against this, the household investments in financial assets, this is the proportion. Bank deposit is the highest at 35%, NBFC non-bank deposits is 82%, life insurance cover is 18%, provident fund and public pension funds 22%, currency, mutual funds are just 6%, equity direct, small savings. So what I'm trying to say is that there's a huge potential of untapped household savings like Mahasagar out there for you to tap. Currently we are at 46 million unique investors. Our target is to cross 100 million, 100 crores by, that is 10 crores unique invest minimum by 2030. Assets under management is currently 65. We want to cross at least 100. And with the current growth in the market, this seems to be quite a realistic figure. And number of distributors, we have currently 1.6. Our target is to at least cross 5 lakh distributors. You guys are invited to join. Now I want to show you another interesting video. We had come out with a campaign called Kare Shuru in mutual and AMFI to, position distribution as a, because generally people used to say, distributor nahi banna hai, agent kisko banna hai, etc. But believe me, a lot of distributors who have, lot of our youngsters from the mutual fund industry who are working in the AMCs have quit their job, started mutual fund distribution as a full-time profession and are making cool, I'll not tell you the figures, but you can imagine it's a 7 figures. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति आप देखते हो, वो अमिताभ बच्चन always says कितना zeros है. You can have that much of income in this profession and even more.
Papa.
जा अंदर माँ के पास बैठा. अरे दामाद जी से कुछ जरूरी बात करनी, अकेले में. सीधे पॉइंट पर आता हूं. तुमने नौकरी छोड़ दी, अब आगे क्या प्लान है?
फुल टाइम म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन.
फुल टाइम. माना कि तुम्हारी हेल्प से म्यूचुअल फंड में मेरा कुछ भला हुआ है, पर मैं साल का सिर्फ 4 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करता हूं. अब उसके कमीशन से तुम कितना कमाते हो? कमीशन क्या? बाप बनने वाले हो, इतने में घर कैसे चलेगा?
पापा मेरे पास आप जैसे लगभग 150 क्लाइंट्स हो चुके हैं और कुछ का तो इतना भला हुआ है कि ऊपर चिपकते मुझे अपना दामाद बना लेंगे और नए क्लाइंट्स मिलते रहते हैं. अब जॉब छोड़कर यही करूंगा फुल टाइम. एक और बात, अगले महीने हम लोग एक बड़े 2 BHK में शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. आप गृह प्रवेश के लिए जरूर आइएगा. आप भी मेरी तरह म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बन सकते हैं. जानिए कैसे? MFDKareShuru.com पर. तो करें शुरू.
ओए, इतने साल बाद यहाँ आ गए, जरा गांव भी घूम ले. सारा दिन खटिया पे पड़ा रहता हूँ.
यार गिरी, इस छाव के नीचे खटिया में लेटने में मजा शहर में कहाँ है यार.
अच्छा चल उठ.
गाड़ी में चलाऊंगा.
राम राम गिरधर जी.
राम दादा.
तो कुछ याद आया? ये समोसे हमने नहीं मंगाए. अरे गिरधर, ये समोसे मेरी तरफ से. तुम्हारी वो म्यूचुअल फंड वाली बात बहुत काम आई है मेरे. थैंक यू रविंद्र जी.
रमेश जी, सामान।
अरे गिरधर, ये तो मैं घर भिजवा दूंगा। तुमसे कुछ बात करनी थी। कुछ और पैसे आए हैं, कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करूं?
बाद में मिलके बता दो।
ठीक है।
नमस्कार मास्टर जी।
अरे करुण, तुम शहर से कब वापस आए?
परसों आया मास्टर जी, माँ का बार बार फोन
अच्छा
आ रहा था।
गिरधर, मेरे बेटे ने खास तुम्हारे लिए थैंक यू कहा। तुमने जो जानकारी दी उससे मेरे बेटे का काफी बड़ा हुआ।
ठीक है सचिन, ठीक है सर। क्या गिरी, चक्कर क्या है? तो पॉपुलर बन गया तू? पॉपुलर नहीं यार, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बन गया म्यूचुअल फंड्स का।
म्यूचुअल फंड्स?
मैं इन सभी की मदद करता हूँ, फाइनेंस की, म्यूचुअल फंड्स की जानकारी देता हूँ। उनका भला होता है तो वो दुआ देते हैं।
वाह यार, मान गए।
अगर आप भी मेरी तरह म्यूचुअल फंड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बनना चाहते हैं तो चाहिए LFD-शुरू.com पर। तो करें शुरू।
We got shortage of time, so I hope you like these videos. I invite you, I encourage you, request you to take up mutual fund distribution as a profession. Very simple. आपको NISM certification exam करना है. Some of you must have already done that. Join, become a distributor directly or with NJ as a sub distributor. They have a great, setup. And all the best. God bless. Jai Hind.